Namaskar. My name is Dada Shila Bhadra Nanda, and this is my yogic name. I am a yoga and meditation monk from the movement called Ananda Marga. And the word Ananda means bliss, infinite happiness. Marga is the way. So I'm a monk or an acharya. Acharya means the one who teaches by his or her example. And the path of Ananda Marga is a spiritual path given by a master whose birth name was P.R. Sarkar, and whose spiritual name is Shrii Shrii Anandamurti. So this course is an introduction to the practices, the philosophy, the way of life of the Ananda Marga path. And so it consists of about 40 different videos, each of them taking a particular topic, which will hopefully benefit new people on the path, want to learn more about their higher natures, are seeking changes in themselves to be all around more healthy, mentally fit, and spiritually elevated. So our greeting, Namaskar, we touch between the eyebrows and then we touch the center of the chest. And basically this greeting means I greet or I salute the divinity within you with all the charms of my mind and all the love and cordiality of my heart. So I hope you will join and watch the videos, learn from them, ask questions, and in this way, move along a beautiful path for your all-around development. Thank you. Namaskar.